Fresh water. It seems like it's everywhere. But it's not, and there just isn't enough to drink. Most of the world is facing a drinking water crisis. By 2040, large metropolitan cities will face water shortages and millions of people will search for water resources. But there is an answer. Just look around. The atmosphere is the world's single source of pure water. WaterGen offers a revolutionary technology, providing pure, fresh, clean drinking water for everyone, everywhere, and saving millions of lives. Our innovative Genius technology extracts fresh water directly from the air, as simple as it sounds. The air is drawn into WaterGen's device where filters remove dust and dirt. The clean air flows through the patented heat exchange technology where condensation occurs and water is created. A unique filtration and mineralization process enabled to maintain fresh, tasty, and healthy water, which is stored in a built-in reservoir where it is continuously circulated to keep it fresh. Using WaterGen's state-of-the-art technology offers decentralized solutions for various applications, from home and office up to communities, smart cities, and nations. Our systems are independent of municipal water pipes and offer the best energy-efficient atmospheric water generator technology. Jenny, a small unit for home or office use. Gen M, for small communities, buildings, neighborhoods, schools, hospitals, smart cities, outdoor events, and more. Gen M ERV and mobile trailer. Mobile life-saving solution for remote locations and disaster areas. Gen On Board, an integrated unit inside vehicles, providing passengers with fresh water on the go. Gen L, a game-changing decentralized solution for villages and off-grid settlements where there is no drinking water. Low in energy consumption, WaterGen's products can be operated with any power source, including generators and solar panels. WaterGen global footprint, with manufacturing facilities and partners in 4 continents, enable us to provide the most innovative, energy-efficient, and environmentally friendly water from air solutions worldwide. Our vision is to stop the cycle of poverty and create the cycle of prosperity by providing access for every man, woman, and child and fresh, clean, and safe drinking water. WaterGen, creating drinking water from air for people everywhere.